Where?
Beatrice Bijou. On February 22nd, 2022, in Florida, police received reports of a vehicle that intentionally hit multiple individuals. The car that Bijou was driving struck 4 people. By Martin County Air Rescue, a 69-year-old woman was taken to Lawnwood Trauma Center with life-threatening injuries.
What was that you just said?
I hear voices in my head telling me to do it.
Telling you to do what?
To kill people and to kill myself.
You have your license with you?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Get up against the car for me.
I hit someone at the fresh market.
Why did you do that?
Because I hear voices telling me to kill people. I hit them with my car at the fresh market.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I am.
From where?
From Stewart. I live right over there.
Right over where?
In Stewart.
Right over here.
Palm Beach Road.
Where's your license? Do you first?
Yeah.
Where? I'll go find out. Sir 651 by number. Bravo 220 060 90876 I'll go find out at Fresh Market. Beatrice, you don't live on Town Lakes Drive anymore?
No.
Where do you live now?
Right there.
At where?
Palm Beach Road.
Palm Beach Road?
Stewart, Florida 34994.
Beatrice, why don't you come over here with me, all right?
I have bipolar and schizophrenia.
Okay, come over here. Diagnosed with it?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, have a seat.
You're engaged, right, to her?
Can you tell me what the police report says about
Yes, she went to the fresh market. She was down like one of the parking stalls, then just drove into all the people that were standing and sitting on the sidewalk, and then said that she wanted to kill them. Is that normal for her? Is that how long have you guys been together?
Since New Year's. The first 6 weeks, it was great. From her voice, she said that she was trying to kill them.
Yeah.
Really?
That I heard, yeah.
She said it to the
Yeah, she said it multiple times.
Does she know these people?
No.
I'm gonna get their approval and their blessings, because that's what Jesus would want me to do. And with God telling me and prophesies to me about this woman, we spent like $500 on Plan B. God told me that how much, for this relationship, I need to marry this woman. I call her reading the Bible to her.
Yeah.
It's like, That was. I sent through so much Bible verses in the last 2 weeks.
Beatrice, are you okay? Do you need a doctor or anything?
Yes, I need a doctor.
Okay. What do you need a doctor for?
Because I keep hearing voices in my head.
She's saying that she needs a doctor because she hears voices in her head.
Well, that's
So
not a
should
reason
as
to go to the hospital yet.
Precautionary, no?
Not yet.
Just to see if you need medical? Yeah. How you doing?
I'm doing okay.
What's going on?
I went to Fresh Market and I just ran people over because I've been hearing voices in my head telling me to kill myself and to kill people.
Okay.
So I did it.
And what did you do at Fresh Market, you're saying?
I ran people over with my car
On purpose.
on purpose.
Do you know how many people?
I don't know how many people.
I'll try to speak on that. Do you know how fast you were going?
I think maybe like 30 miles an hour.
Okay. And
But I accelerated so as hard as I could.
Okay. And did you injure yourself at all?
No, I'm not injured.
Okay.
But I want to go jump off the bridge.
Okay. Well, you're obviously the police officers are gonna get you the help that you need. You know, I'm here from the fire department just to see if you have any injuries.
I don't have any
Do you
injuries.
take any medication for anything?
Yes, I take trileptal for bipolar and ziprasidone, Geodon for schizophrenia.
So those are 2 things that you've been diagnosed with? Do you have any other medical problems?
I'm anemic.
Take anything for that?
Iron.
Just pills?
Just iron pills.
Yeah.
Iron supplement.
All right. And how often do you take your medication?
I've been taking it, but I've been stopping taking it.
Like you're not taking it like you're supposed to?
Yeah, I took my medication, but I stopped taking it on the weekends. I would go to see my boyfriend on the weekends, and I didn't want him to know I had the condition.
Can you advise on any airways?
So when was the last time you took your medicine?
This morning.
But then you take it during the week, but you skip on the weekend? Okay. But you took it this morning.
Sometimes I skip it.
How often do you see your doctor?
I have a psychiatry appointment tomorrow.
When was the last time you saw him?
December.
And was everything good then?
I didn't tell him a lot that I've been going through, what I've been going through.
Okay. Hold on 1 second,
So,
okay?
I understand.
All right, I'll see you in a little bit. See you. You want me to wait? Is your car locked?
Yeah, I locked it. And I got up front.
Can you just check her midsection real quick?
Okay, real quick. It's fine. Oh, Sergeant read it for me. Okay.
Turn out here.
Support showing replacement, just want to make sure. Got another type rush.
Stay right there. And have a seat. Who was she searched by? Okay. Alright.
By 02 Bravo Charlie Mike Yankee.
Stewart 166 with 1 female. About her.
You're gonna go in there? Watch your steps going up.
Yes.
So these are her numbers for. Okay.
Show anything else? Any other property?
Not that I know of.
Ziprasidone.
She was searched by a female, I believe, before. So, but she doesn't look like her clothing is very tight fitting, so I don't believe.
A day.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I guess.
You can take those cuffs off.
All right. Okay. And then 4 at the waist, so I can take these off. When I take your handcuff off, put your hand on top of the counter, flat. Okay.
Okay.
So when I take this one off, right up on the counter there. Thank you, ma'am. Same thing with this hand. Alright, thank you, ma'am.
You have to say Julian on that. Alright, I need to say Lawrence, just, you didn't come in with no personal property, but it's just your black slides, your pants you have on, and your shirt. That's all you signed for.
Okay.
Right here and right here?
This is a wig.
Okay, but is it weaved in or
It comes off.
it does come off? Alright, you can take it off then. Alright.
Assalamualaikum.
At least, absolutely.
So, you know what?
Absolutely. I'll put that with your personal stuff. Thank you, send that.
Male, Kevin, and Lucy will be walking out of the
One way, yeah, one way from the.
number.
Right there, man. That's how you know you came in with nothing else. I have Deputy Locke right here. He should just go into start to the back search for you.
Okay.
Just keep your hands on the counter for me, okay?
There's A2's coming down.
Okay, yeah.
This isn't all female.
Huh?
This is female, right?
Yeah.
She said it's all.
It's not all, but you will be with all females, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. All right, this is what I want you to do. This is your numbers for you to call? Your
Yes.
people? So you keep this on you, you're good with this. You're gonna come with me right here, come here?
Beatrice Bijou was charged with aggravated battery. However, Bijou insisted on being charged with attempted murder because her act was intentional.